discuss a lot of that stuff because there is a phenomenon that exists, and it's outside the realm of materialistic science. Science don't quantify. They say you can't, from a radical materialistic scientific worldview, they say that you can't quantify these phenomena, right? So metaphysics will get into this.
Hence the reason they call it a wave-particle duality in light, because duality means rigid distinctions. You know, duality and contrast to polarity, they are a trichotomy. They share no commonality whatsoever. However, they share one subtle common denominator in terms of their polarity and nuances.
Now, physics and music are mutually exclusive, you know. But once you deal with the sound of music, you go in and dwell into the collision of air molecules.
Because it's sort of an expanding sphere or expanding bubble that just sort of propagates and disperses and dissipates depending on the impact that caused the intensity. So
the diatonic scales, it is based on a number system. So the
there was
first
something called the juxtaposition of incongruity.